Hey everyone, good day. This time I'm going to show you how to change the fuel consumption display. As you can see guys, the display unit information shows a liter per 100 kilometer. So I'm gonna change this to kilometer per liter. To change this to kilometer per liter, all you're gonna do is to long press this button. Press and hold the multi-information display switch for about 5 seconds or more until the buzzer sound is heard twice. Take a look. I'm gonna hold this button. There you go. There's a miles per gallon. But we are looking for kilometer per liter. So I'm gonna press and hold again. There you go. Now you have a kilometer per liter.